I am not aware. Honorable Chief Minister has not told me of any portfolio distribution. I am not aware. Whatever he decides, he is my Chief Minister. If he tells me to resign tomorrow, I will resign also. I have no issue. I am happy because MLA, people of Goa, where I am getting elected as MLA, only those people will throw me down. I have no problem. But as Chief Minister, if he wants me to be removed or if he wants to add or decrease my portfolio, it is his prerogative. As Law and Judiciary Minister, this is power. As Law and Judiciary Minister, I have done so many changes in the last 3 months. I have seen that my people of Goa do not suffer at some mercenaries who are sitting in office. The calculations are becoming online. If you, it is on the base price of 2012. If you want, then you pay more. But if my rate is 3,000, you pay 3,000. Otherwise, what used to happen? You used to always have a fight with the sub-register thing. Huh? Now, to 5,000, stop. This is I have done with my help of my Chief Minister. Online, you don't have to. You tell the time when you want to go, not the time when he wants it. So you will see a lot of differences. This is a young government. There are very young leaders. And we assure the people of Goa in the next 3 years. Now, since we are becoming 17 and there are people who are supporting, and Congress cannot destabilize us. And we assure you that we will find a lot of improvements. And we are sure after we serve the people, 3 वर्षांनी आमका 21 करतले.